So, class 8, as yesterday we have read about the poem Macavity, and before discussing the question answers of the poem, I would like to share with you a short, you can say, video about the poem Macavity. So, let us start. Let us see this video, which is related to Macavity.
Chapter 12, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. Macavity is a mystery cat. He's old the hidden hole, but he's the master criminal. He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is no Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His laws of levitation would make the computer still. And when we reach the scene of crime, he's not there. You may seek him in the basement, you will look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity's not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his arms are small. His brown is deeply lined with fat. His head is very tall. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. He's always wide. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he's a monster. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when crime's discovered, then look out. He's outwardly inspectable. We see he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any pile of Scotland yards. When the larder's looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another piece been tackled, the glass is broken, and the trellis was prepared. There's the one of the fame, Macavity's not there. And when the Foreign Office finds the treaty's gone astray, or the admiral uses some plans and drawings, by the way, there may be a scrap of paper in the wall or on the stair. But let's use the story. Macavity's not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say, it must be Macavity, but he's a runaway. You'll be sure to find him resting or licking off his fowls, or in long division sons. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi, one or two to spare, and whatever time they need to. Place, Macavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungo Jerry. I might mention Little Bird. Nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations from only enough time.
So, this was all about the poem. So it means that the poem that we have read, it is not the complete one. Okay, it is also called as Napoleon of crime, right? It means Napoleon means who is the inventor of all type of crime that is happening in the city. Okay, so this poem Macavity is very interesting, showing you can say, just a moment please. So what it is showing, it is just showing us that Macavity is a kind of, you can say, cat who is indulging itself in all types of crime. It is because of this reason even the Scotland Yard police and moreover the flying squad They are after the cat, but the cat was nowhere to be found. So you must have seen the picture Dawn. Okay, so in Dawn, what is the famous dialogue of the movie Dawn? Can anybody tell? Can anybody tell what is the famous dialogue of movie Dawn? Okay, Kritika, yes. Yes, Kritika.
मैम जो आपने वीडियो दिखाई थी मैम बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आई मैम, बिल्कुल वॉइस नहीं आ रही थी उसकी.
Voice come thi, I will show you again afterwards. Okay, tell me that what is the famous dialogue of the movie Dawn? Can anybody tell? Yes, Somil wants to speak. Yes, Somil.
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है.
Yes, Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. This is what McCavity is like. Okay, he is the master of all crimes, and it is really very difficult to catch him. Okay, so I don't know why the voice is not clear. For the video tomorrow I will show you again, or if I will play again, maybe you will face the same problem, but actually the subtitles, they are being played side by side. Okay, that was just an animated form of the poem, right, that we have studied. Okay, so now what we have to do, finally we have to do the question answers of the poem McCavity. Okay, so let us do the question answers of the poem McCavity, and for that, first of all, let me share with you the poem. Okay, so yesterday we have read this poem McCavity, which is a mystery cat. He is called as the hidden paw. So in that video we have seen that the paws, they could be seen engraved onto the ground, and for he is master criminal, so whenever the crime is being committed, he is the one only who is breaking the law. It is just because of McCavity that people get confused, for when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there, because when they reach the place of crime, McCavity is never there. So McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. There's no one like that of McCavity. He's broken every human law and breaks law of gravity. Okay, so he has broken these laws of gravity and moreover all the other laws of the earth. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. And his powers of levitation means hanging up in the air. He will jump and like hang up in the air. It seems like very abnormal one, which is not, you can say, which are not the powers of any living creature. So you may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. If you want to find McCavity, you would look for her. So you would look for him in the air also, and you would also look for the cat up in the down in the basement. But finally, what is there? McCavity is nowhere to be seen. McCavity is a ginger cat. The color of the McCavity cat is like that of ginger. Okay, that's why it is called as ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. He is very tall and thin. Tall and thin it is, and you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in because he's not taking proper sleep. And it is because of the different kinds of crimes that he is committing. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His forehead is covered with fine lines. It shows his deep thought process that is going on, and his head is highly domed, filled with thoughts. So his coat is dusty and neglected. His whiskers are uncombed. So this shows the negligent behavior of the cat, that the cat is not, you can say is not taking care of his clothes also. It is wearing dusty clothes, and his whiskers are uncombed. He is also not combing his whiskers. He sways his head from one side to another with movements like a snake. So the cat is very clever, as it shows very quick movements like that of a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is half wide awake, and never mistook that the cat is sleeping, because when the cat is sleeping, it is still awake, wide awake. So McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. So there's no one like this cat McCavity because he is the Napoleon of crime. We have seen the last line of the previous point. For he is a find in feline shape. He is a find means it means that he is a devil in the shape of cat and a monster of depravity, and a monster, again a monster who is corrupting all type of moral values, who is committing all type of crimes. You may meet him in a by street and you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. And when you reach the place of crime, the theft has been done, the crime has taken place, but McCavity is nowhere to be seen. Okay, so next, the question answers for this poem. So yesterday we have done in the first stanza, read the first stanza and think, is McCavity a cat really? Yes, now you can raise up your hands for answers. Yes, is McCavity a cat really? Yes, is McCavity a cat really? Yes, of course it's a cat because it is clearly mentioned that it is a cat who is a cat and the mystery cat, and moreover this is what. So let me tell you here that McCavity, the mystery cat, is actually an imaginary character which is invented by the poet T.S. Eliot. Okay, see this T.S. Eliot, who is a great poet of English language, and he has invented this kind of character which is, you can say, which is not in this poem, which is the main character, but in many poems he has written him as the mystery cat. So this is a cat, of course. Okay, and moreover the poet has also said that it is a find in feline shape, that it is a devil in the shape of cat. So ultimately what this shows, that it is a cat. So what answer you will write down? Is McCavity a cat really? Yes, McCavity is a cat. If not, who can McCavity be? If McCavity cannot be a cat, he could be a very sincere as well as very, you can say, very you can say clever criminal who is never caught by the police. Okay, so these three we have done yesterday. Okay, we have done yesterday. A master criminal is one who is the master criminal, who evades the police or who escapes the police. So the Scotland Yard is baffled because, why Scotland Yard is baffled? Because it fails to catch hold of McCavity. Next is dash, because McCavity moves much faster than them. So flying squad is not able to catch him or catch McCavity because McCavity moves much faster than them. Next, a cat, I'm sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. So this is said by Jules Verne. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Which laws he is breaking? Can anybody tell? Yes, Kritika, Manasvi, can anybody tell?
And the law of gravity.
Yes, the law of gravity. Yes, the law of gravitation, the cat McCavity is breaking. So, read stanza 3 and then describe McCavity in 2 to 3 sentences of your own. So, let us see first of all stanza 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. So, what you come to know, when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you, once and once again, McCavity is not there. And moreover, you can also take some examples from this paragraph. If you will take, this is second complete. Take the examples from here, that McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in and his brow is deeply lined with thought. So what you will write down, that McCavity is a cat of ginger color, or McCavity is a ginger colored cat. It is tall and thin, and nobody would come to know about his whereabouts. Moreover, the eyes are sunken in because of not taking proper sleep and unrest, and the forehead of the cat is always lined with thought, and his head is always muddled up with thoughts. Muddled up with thoughts means filled with thoughts, and he is not caring, or he's not at all caring about his he's not at all caring about his, you can say, about his clothes. This is the reason why the cat is wearing a dusty coat, and his whiskers are always uncombed. He is very active, moving his head from side to side, and whenever the cat is sleeping, it is always awake. So clear this answer? If yes, put your thumbs up. Clear, or should I repeat it again? Fine. Praviti is saying fine. Okay, right. So now state true or false for each of the following statements. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Yes?
Yes, ma'am, true.
It is true. Yes, it is true. Right. So McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. This is true.
False.
False, because there is not any mention in the poem what McCavity can do and what she cannot do, what fakir can do. So next, McCavity has supernatural powers.
True.
True. This is true.
False.
It is just,
Because it is not mentioned in the point.
it is not mentioned, but
Ma'am,
because
he broke the law of gravity, so he has supernatural powers.
gravity, and moreover, it is also mentioned she has the power of levitation, means hanging up in the air, and even a fakir would stare. Fakir, who is a fakir person having some supernatural power, who has some, you can say, godly vision. Okay.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
cannot understand, that means he has some supernatural powers. True. So McCavity is well dressed, smart, and bright.
False.
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 Not. Okay. Next, McCavity is a spy, a trickster, a criminal, all rolled in one.
True.
True, yes. Of course, it is true. So next,
Yes,
having
true.
read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend or a monster? So see, we have read
Yes.
the poem. Okay, speak, Kritika, what you want to speak. Yes, you can tell.
Yes, the poet is totally fond of cats. He called McCavity a fiend and monster because if McCavity was an ordinary cat, he would also do mischief, as normal cats also do a lot of mischief, and they also run away from the house when they have done something wrong. So poet is really fond of cats.
So poet is fond of cats. So it is, you can say that maybe the poet is fond of cats. He may be having cat as a pet too. And it is only after observing, or it is only after closely observing the behavior of the cat, okay, as a pet or as a known cat, that he has mentioned or he has written a lot about cat. Otherwise, it is not only the work of imagination, it is of course involving the observation of the poet also, right? So from here, as he has given the various examples and what kind of acts are shown by the cat, so we can say that the poet is fond of the cats also, and moreover, he must have, you can say, seen the mischievous acts or the mischievous feats of a cat. So this is the reason whenever he is going to catch his own cat, he is not finding the cat. So this is the reason why he called it as find or monster. That's why he is calling it as find or monster. Clear? So next, has the poet
Excuse
used,
ma'am.
yes, please?
Ma'am, मैम आप रीडिंग द कॉन्टेक्स्ट कराओगे चैप्टर के और जो पिछला चैप्टर था द लास्ट बार्गेनिंग
I'm not getting, your voice is breaking, Rhythm. I will talk.
मैम मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप रीडिंग द कॉन्टेक्स्ट करवाओगे चैप्टर के
Yes.
जो पिछला chapter the last
For this
bargain.
poem also, reading you are asking about
Okay.
what you are asking. Speak again.
Reading the context.
Reading to the context we will do for this poem also. Paraphrase you are asking, right? We will do after this
Ma'am,
poem.
yes.
We'll do now.
Ma'am, हमने last bargain. Okay.
Last bargain also we will. After this poem we will start with last bargain. Okay. So, has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples. Exaggeration means when a normal thing is being expanded too much to create a dramatic effect. Okay, right? For example, sometimes the thing is very small and the person speaks a lot about it. Okay, this is called as exaggeration, right?
Ma'am, your video is paused.
So it is paused, of course, because it is screen only. So, what are the examples of, you can say, exaggeration used here? What are the examples of exaggeration used here?
Ma'am, first paragraph, second line. He is the master criminal who can defy the law.
Very good.
Bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad, despair.
Okay.
Patient.
He has broken the law of gravity.
Okay.
His powers of
Powers of levitation.
leviation would make a fakir stare.
Breaking the law.
So these are the various examples of exaggeration given here, right? So this is what we have done, okay, about the poem complete answers. So which questions you have to write in notebook? So let me tell you. First part, this in book. Second part in book. Third part, yes, third answer you will write in the notebook. Then fourth part you will also write down. Then seventh part. Only 3 questions you have to write down in your notebooks, right? So after writing these questions, so let us jump on to.
Questions again. कौन-कौन से हमने note में करने हैं?
Now let us start with the paraphrase.
Excuse me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat third question?
Third question. What is the third question? For just a moment, please. Third one is which law of gravity? It is which law of gravity has broken? It is law of gravitation. Okay. Now, reading to the context, you have to do. Read the following extract. Write down. And answer the questions that follow. Okay, so first of all, we are having the first para, Macavity, a mystery cat. From Macavity, a mystery cat to not there. Okay, so till this paragraph. So what, write down the first question is, what is, first of all, write down, name the poem and the poet. Name the poem and the poet. So what is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Macavity, the Mystery Cat, and the poet is T.S. Eliot. Okay, so next. What is the other name? What is the other name given to Macavity? What is the other name given to Macavity in the first stanza? The other name is the hidden paw. The hidden paw is given to McCavity. What is the meaning of bafflement? What is the meaning of bafflement? What is the meaning of bafflement? Bafflement means confusion. What does bafflement means? It means confusion. Why are the soldiers of, why does, or why are the soldiers of Flying Squad and Scotland Yard worried? Why are the members of Scotland Yard and, you can say, and Flying Squad worried? Why are they worried? You can see this. Yes, why are the soldiers of Flying Squad and Scotland Yard worried? Okay, note down this. Yes. Now it is clear. So why are the members of Scotland Yard and Flying Squad worried? Why are they worried? The members of Flying Squad and Scotland Yard are worried because they were not able to find the mystery cat at the site of crime, because whenever they are reaching there, the mystery cat is always, you can say always evade the police. Evade. It is evade. EVADE. Evade the police or evade the arrest, that nobody is able to catch her. Right? So this is the first para. Now let me write down for second one. So second para is from McCavity to, again not there. This is second from McCavity to not there. So the first question is, which laws did McCavity break? Which laws did McCavity break? Which laws did McCavity break? Yes, McCavity has broken the laws of levitation. Sorry, broken the law, all the human laws as well as law of gravitation. Okay. Next. Which special power is mentioned by the poet which McCavity has? So which is the special power that McCavity has? So which is the special power that McCavity has? McCavity has the special power of levitation. Next, write down. And when you reach the scene of McCavity, McCavity is not there. So what is What is strange about McCavity? Yes, what is strange about McCavity? What is strange about McCavity? The behavior of McCavity is very strange, as if you will look for McCavity in the basement or up in the air, it could never be found anywhere. It could never be found anywhere. So this is what's strange about McCavity. And with this, you can say the extracts are complete.